Today, we at Baskerville Chemical Society, we made our own DIY lava lamps using vinegar and mineral oil. They're different densities, so we used like a quarter of the container was vinegar and about half of it was mineral oil. And then we had the students drop food coloring of their choice, glitter if they wanted, and then Alka-Seltzer tablets, which made it busy. They're not real lava lamps, but it's cute for a little reaction. It's like 2 minutes.
I'm a biochemistry major. I've been coming to BCS events since last semester. I find like they're a really fun way for other majors to also connect with how chemistry works.
So I actually missed out on all the science activities last semester, but I was so jealous because I saw her slime. This is like the perfect time for me to just relax because Thursdays are really long days for me. I'm not a science major. I actually want to major in mathematics, but I think science is a really cool application of math.
We all wanted a lava lamp when we were kids, and they're so expensive. So now we get to hack the system.
I came here because I saw on their Instagram that they had a lot of cool events, and I wanted to participate in some cool events. And I've never made a lava lamp before. I've never had a lava lamp, so I was like, you know what? The coolest way to first have a lava lamp is to make it yourself.
I honestly came to the club meeting because my friend, like a new friend, told me like come join just to make new friends stuff. So I feel like it's a good opportunity to like do activities and create friends like right now.